because we had so many people that were interested, like after we told them what we were doing.
Yeah.
So I've had two training classes so far, like full training all the way through. And our guys it has been like absolutely amazing. And some of the people have been like canvassers prior or whatever. And they're like, this is the best training. Like, it's unbelievably good. And with your pitch, I did, because we're in Florida, so there's a couple like different things, right? So
yeah.
I stuck to your pitch, like all the outlines and stuff, like pretty much the whole thing. I just kind of inserted like stuff that's unique to us and what we're doing.
Yeah.
And that pitch came out like gold. I was almost like, this is so good. I don't want any other roofing company in Florida to get their hands on this. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's gold. But anyway, so and I know that's selfish, but whatever.
That's why we charge a bunch. So
yeah, right. But no, it has been absolutely a success. Where everyone's been selling roofs, and they're like, hey, I talked to this property management company, and we got locked in with all these different, it's like, and people are just talking to people, and it's such a great, like, your training's awesome, but it's the getting together. It's the sticking to the program, like you said.
Yeah.
And it's the follow up, and it's just everything. Like, the way you designed it is, I'm not blowing smoke up your ass. Like, the way you designed it is really is brilliant, and it's working.
Thank
and
you.
The retention of like people, they like, when we get to the why, we've just been talking about like, why. Your why is going to be your how you accomplish everything, whatever. And
right.
Anyway, so we get real deep into it, and the past 2 times that we've gotten to that, people have come up to me and they're like, Sean, that was like amazing. Like, I really that's what separates you guys from everything, is like opening up and saying the why. And that right there, I think is going to be the retention. That's what's going to keep them there. Like, we actually care about you.
Yeah.
You're not just a number. We want to know your goals, your dreams, and we're going to help you accomplish those. And so it's been phenomenal. I could talk forever. I know there's tons of other people, but it's been really, really good. It's been great. And yeah, I appreciate your support and answering my emails and
Absolutely.
stuff. So,
right.
But every single thing is like completely gold. And the feedback I've gotten from my new hires are like, and these are some people, some of them don't know shit about roofs. They've never knocked on a door, nothing. Other ones have canvassed and set appointments or whatever. But every single person was like, this is amazing because I don't have to know anything. And if I just learn this stuff, like, it's covering every single question they might have. Or it's just, if you learn, if they learn this and they can present this, I really think it's a freaking slam dunk, you guys. Like, I really, really do. I'm not blowing smoke up your ass, Beck. I'm really not. Like, it's fantastic. So my advice is just teach them, make sure they know it. And like I said, use it as that straight line so that they can pull back and go back to it and make sure they finish it. Right. But then they know how to answer questions because they know this pitch so well.
Yeah.